Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to airdrop the files to send your files into another iPhone. So here the device that I use is iPhone XR, and the way to send files through airdrop is so easy. You just need to open the files that you want to send into another iPhone. For example, if the file is saved on your files, just open the files, and after that just choose which files that you want to send. For example, I would like to send these files. Oops, my bad. Okay, so you just need to go back in the files, just need to click and hold the files that you want to send, and after that you just need to go click share. In this share button, you just need to go click this airdrop. And now the airdrop will start to looking for the nearest airdrop that active around you. Whenever the another iPhone is near you is active, the airdrop, you just need to click it, and the send will be automatically sent into the other iPhone. Whenever you're done, just click done. So that's the way how to send files through airdrop. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.